Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna show you what my project was I created. So since yesterday I'm deploying local AI. So the AI installed in my own PC. So my tools here I'm using WSL with Ubuntu. Okay, this one. So the Ubuntu is representative from Linux, so I don't need to make a dual boot between Windows and Linux. Okay, so uh, and then after I'm installed the WSL, so I'm installing the Olama. I'm using the Olama as an provider, maybe, or something like AI agent, maybe, maybe like that, So after I'm installing the Olama, I'm also installed the model, and for the model I'm using Qwen, so I'm using the Qwen 3.5 with 9 billion because I'm my specs my spec is under RTX 5060, so that's better. So this is intermediate or normal to use in RTX 5060, here, this one. Okay, so okay, my specs, I am using RTX 5060, and with 8 GB 8 GB for the VRAM. So and then my RAM or my memory is 32 GB. Okay, so and then for the CPU I'm using AMD Ryzen 5 560,000, sorry, 5.600, with 6 core processor. Okay, so after I'm installing the Olama and the Qwen, also I'm also have little research about OpenCloud. Okay, so OpenCloud is an tools or like gateway, between the bridge between Discord, Google Chat, Telegram, and the AI agent. Okay, so it's like you are inputting the command, you are inputting the prompt is using Telegram, using WhatsApp, maybe using Microsoft Team, and then the bot where you chat with that will send it to the model AI. So OpenCloud is the middleman between your input, your prompt doors, like like I said, Teams or Telegram, and the AI agent, Olama or OpenAI or something like that. Okay, so this is free and open source also. Okay, so after I'm installing the OpenCloud, okay, here's the POV of OpenCloud itself. So this is the usage. You can custom it, and you can put the agent, you can customize the agent what you gonna do, like this is agents.md. this is the prompt will using to your AI. So OpenClaw will send this markdown into your AI. Okay, so this is have agent, soul, tools, identity, user, and heartbeat like this. Okay, so and then OpenClaw have skills, yeah, skills like what AI can do. Okay, so you may sorry, in built-in. Okay, so by default OpenClaw provides maybe around 50, yeah, 15 built-in skills, or you can check in the OpenClaw page, yeah. So you can set up, you can install the necessary requirement, you can, yeah, also, or you can disable if you don't want to use. So you can also create your own skills, like I'm doing. I'm creating my own skills for my AI is Grafana observability. Okay, this is a skill for inspect the local Grafana or Prometheus observability stack and summarize system health, like real host CPU and or memory and dummy service, yeah, and any firing or pending alerts on demand. Okay, and you can also modify the your own skill in here. Okay, you can find where the skill locate, yeah, under .openclaw /workspace/skills/ the name of the skill, yeah, like this one. Okay, so this is one this is this is where I define my skills for AI. Okay, I'm putting the comment prompt like this. Okay, and blah 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 blah. Okay, and they will hit the API. Okay, and they will do like this. This is a query from KL. Okay, and this is they will run the Python script. Okay, so this is the define for Python script, yeah, and you can change it depend on your purpose, yeah. The cool thing from OpenClaw is they have OpenClaw Doctor. This is the great things I ever made, because you can inspect your application. I mean, like your OpenClaw, you can inspect it like a doctor. Like this one, when I type OpenClaw Doctor, so they going to diagnosis himself, yeah, and maybe like this only renames them to delete, yeah, maybe. Okay, yes, and they ask me to repair. Okay, yes. Okay, so this is great things and simple things. This is something great for inspection. You can use OpenClaw Doctor -- fix to apply what the change with the changes. Yeah, here the list. Okay, so they will doing this, and if you agree with their concept or their recommendation, you can type like this one: OpenClaw Doctor -- fix. Oh, maybe like this one, yeah. Okay, so so I'm creating the tools for operation team for operating system, which means I'm creating my own environment to monitoring the host, the memory usage. Okay, so this is the data. This data is presented by like the from this, yeah, it's same result, I mean. So for now I have CPU usage 24.2% and 81.7% for memory usage. Okay, so I have an alert and I'm setting the alert in Prometheus. I'm setting the alert like this, so whenever the count is highest or higher than 80, I mean, they will create the alert and alert will transfer to OpenCloud and OpenCloud will move forward to Telegram. Okay, so like this one. Sorry, like this one. So I'm creating a group which call it Barak Senen, yeah, and I added the bot and I'm assign the bot to send the cron job. Okay, where? Okay, this one in cron job, yeah. I'm setting this, I'm giving the prompt, okay, and they will run, yeah, each under 1 minute, yeah. Okay, so I have much cron job here to alert, yeah, for this alert, and the result is like this. It's like a spam, yeah. They keep sending the alert by many time like this. Okay, your host metric CPU 17.5% and like that. Okay, so beside my bot AI doing the sending monitoring report, I also testing to AI. So I'm sending to him the PDF from my portfolio for my CV, and I ask him to summarize this PDF. Okay, so and the result is like this. Okay, the bot can be analyzed and giving me some summarize of this. Okay, and maybe I need to how it's how much it's possible to be accepted in a big company or tech industry with that CV. Okay, I'm asking, and yeah, because this is AI local, so they will give a slow response, so you don't expect to fast respond like GPT or Gemini. It's different things. Meanwhile, you sending the prompt, okay, you can inspect it in your OpenCloud dashboard like this. You can see the message, you can interrupt the message, or you can inspect whether they didn't result. Okay, they didn't, if they didn't give the result or response, you can check in here to checking, because OpenCloud sometime send the like this, send the activity, which mean this gonna not showing in your Telegram POV. I'm using 55% context use. Here's the answer from our last asking, yeah, to how much possible to achieve that in big company or tech industries for this CV. Okay, the bot giving me some report error, yeah, and but the smart things from this OpenCloud and AI also, I think from OpenCloud itself, they are trying to rerun in their site. Okay, so I'm not ask them to rerun, but they just configure it itself. Okay, that's a great thing, I think. Okay, you can hear in the back end, yeah, we call it, we can see in the OpenCloud dashboard. Okay, so they showing us, like I said before, they are doing edit in this memory, and they are doing, I don't know, like maybe input, yeah. Okay, and then the result is error. Okay, so after that they send the message, and they are saying, let me fix this. Oh, this, it is cool. I'm not asking to fix, but they are creatively to fix it himself, like this. Okay, and then they are doing a rerun again, and they are rating the memory. Okay, so we can inspect what's OpenCloud do. This is make us simple to logs, yeah. If what happened, what happened in back end, we can monitor, we can investigate, and we can know, we can even we know that what happened things here. I'm sorry. Okay, after they are rerun, okay, they are giving the result like this. It's same on the client POV or Telegram POV. Okay, and then for the other job, yeah, other bot in the other site, they are having a problem, timeout. Yeah, it is expected, because yeah, our my spec is not heavy, not a data center, I'm using local, so this is expected, and it's no problem, it's okay. But if you are not on your local AI, you can use from cloud version, but yeah, you may have some lot of money, some of cost to paying this. Okay, but for OpenCloud itself, you can install in your local machine. Even I'm using Windows, you can see I'm playing the NTE game. Okay, so this is Windows. You don't need more. Oh, I'm cannot, I can install Linux, I can't install any program, or I can install blah blah blah. No, it's nonsense. Okay, so you can use WSL, you can make your Linux above your Windows. It's okay, it's fine, like what I'm doing right now. Okay. So yeah, this memory getting higher, yeah, and the consumption of GPU is highest than usual, and the CPU also. But this is the home lab, yeah. Okay, this is the experimental, this is home lab, this is experimental, so I don't expect the high expectation, like, oh, I want create something like OpenGPT, OpenAI, I mean GPT or Gemini. No, it's difficult things. Okay, so but what I'm learning from this step, from start, I'm installing the WSL, I'm installing the OpenCloud, I'm installing the Ollama model and blah blah blah, and the Grafana and the Qwen and the Prometheus also. I'm learned that idea, it's coming from our daily habit or daily work or daily task, and I'm thinking that let me try to create some simple things, simple tools to doing the monitor, and this is the result. Okay, and this is the expected with my own imagination, with my own expectation. So if you have any idea, if you have any concern or yeah, creative idea, I mean, you can do it. You can use the cloud, you can use the OpenCloud and Ollama cloud and AI cloud, yeah. But you must be sacrifice your money, you must pay high at all, and that's, we call it investment. I'm sorry. Okay, so that's from my video. I'm sorry if my speak is poor. I'm still learning how to speaking in English, because in my office we are talking with English. But yeah, you know, I'm like introvert, so I don't speak English very well, but I'm trying too hard. So please forgive me if my English not good as well, yeah. Okay, thank you everyone, thank you for watching, see you next time.